To install a VS Code, first you have to go to any Chrome, then you have to search VS Code install like this, just by enter. Then you getting a first website, VS Studio Code. Just you have to click on that. Then there is a different Mac. You are on Windows, so click on Windows. If you are MacBook, then you have to click on Mac. Just by clicking, you can see in right corner VS Code install starting. Okay, let it finish. After finishing the installation process, just open file. I accept agreements. You have to click on that button. Then next, desktop icon. Yes, you have to click on that. Then next and install. You all said done.